The iPhone 14 Pro Max is expected to be the latest addition to Apple's flagship smartphone line. With its rumored 6.7-inch OLED display and improved camera technology, this phone promises to be a top contender for photography enthusiasts. The device is expected to come equipped with Apple's A17 chip, which should provide a significant boost in performance compared to previous models. Additionally, the rumored 5G connectivity should allow for lightning-fast internet speeds, making streaming and browsing a breeze. The camera setup is expected to feature a triple lens system, including a wide-angle lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens, as well as improvements to low-light performance and video recording capabilities. Other rumored features include improved battery life, a revamped design with a smaller notch, and possibly even a foldable display. Overall, the iPhone 14 Pro Max seems poised to be a top-performing smartphone with a focus on photography and performance. As with all new tech releases, there may be some glitches or issues that arise, but it's likely to be a popular choice for iPhone users who want the latest and greatest technology.